Hello, Namaskar. Here is the topic electric potential and potential energy of chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitors. Through the question 2.1, I would like to explain how will you calculate electric potential due to a point charge at a point or due to more than one charges first. So the question is two charges 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb are located 16 centimeter apart. At what potential, at what points on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0? So, we will solve this question first by knowing that if it is a point charge placed at point A and point charge is Q, distance from the point charge here is P, that is at R distance. So electric potential at point P will be, we can write VPA, means potential at point P due to charge at A is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught multiply Q upon R. Here R is the distance of the point P from the point charge Q. Again, for the two charges, say kept at point A, charge is Q1 and at point B, charge is Q2. So what will be the potential, electric potential at point C? If Q1 and Q2 are separated by distance R, then if we take this point C from point A as distance x, then CB will be R minus x. Okay. So net potential we call net potential Vc at point C will be potential at C due to charge at A plus potential at C due to charge at B. And then again you can apply 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, or simply you write K multiply. The charge at point A is Q1 and the distance CA is here x plus, you put K in, K common, take K common, plus Q upon charge at point B divided by distance of charge Q at point B from C, and this one is R minus x. So this is the way to write or to calculate the potential at point C due to two charges. Now question is, here two point charges Q1 and Q2 suppose, and this one is point A, another is point B. So find the distance where the electric potential is 0. Here the charge Q2 is of negative sign. So potential will be 0 in between two charges, and outside the charge Q2, because the magnitude of Q2 is less than magnitude of Q1. So there will be 2 points. First we take point P, and another point from B we can take point Q. So there will be 2 points where potential will be 0. So here I have also written, in case 1, let point P near mod Q2, means negative charge of Q2 minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Inside it means just near to point B, the potential is 0. So it is written here, Vp 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, Q1 upon, here written, Q1 upon R minus x1 plus Q2 upon x1. Let the distance x1, here the distance x1 from B to P in first case, and we get after calculation here x1 is equal to 6 centimeter. Means from charge Q2 the distance is 6 centimeter and total distance between A and B is 16 centimeter. It means from positive charge Q1 the point P where the potential will be 0 is at 10 centimeter. This one is the answer of first part. Now if we take again outside, so point A, point B, and along the line here is point Q where electric potential is 0. So AB distance is R and here distance x2. Now you have to calculate the net potential at Q. So potential at Q, VQ is equal to, you can write also, V capital Q is equal to VQA plus VQB, just like solving the electric field or electric force at any point. And VQA will be the charge at A, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught times charge at A divided by the distance of Q from A, plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into charge at B divided by the distance of Q from B, and you will get here, you are getting here, the answer is 24 centimeter after calculation. So it means from negative charge distance will be 24, so from positive charge distance will be 40 centimeter, and here answer is also written here. See here, 10 centimeter and 40 centimeter. This is the NCERT question 2.1. Okay. Now I move to next NCERT question regarding the to find the work done. You know, work done to move a charge from one point to another point, and one charge is fixed. So here is the 2.12 question of NCERT class 12 physics chapter 2. A charge of 8 millicoulomb, here it is written 8 millicoulomb, means 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb, is located at origin. Here is the origin I made, and a small charge of this value is already given, minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, moving from point P to point Q. The coordinate is given, so make it XYZ coordinate, and to find the work done via the point R. But here the potential energy depends upon final position and initial position. So point R will be redundant. Now while solving this question, of two charges, one charge is moving. So apply the formula here. W is equal to Q into V. So W is equal to charge Q1 is moving from P to Q, from P to Q here. So W is equal to Q1 in bracket VQ minus VP, because work will be done against the electric force. And the point is here, what is the value of VQ and VC? So value of VQ, again, this is the point Q. So charge at point O, fixed charge, that we suppose Q, and Q value is, here it is given 8 millicoulomb. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon OQ, and this Vp is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon OP, means the K times charge at origin divided by the distance from the charge at origin to the point P, and in the same case charge at origin, distance charge at origin to the point Q, and after calculation you are getting 1.2 joule answer. So question is, you apply this formula in this question. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.